Hey everyone and welcome back. Fathom not recording your meetings. Let me show you why and how to fix it fast. First, check which experience you are on the old bot. Based experience joins via meeting link and records automatically. The new bot free experience is available on Mac with English meetings. If you are on the new experience, check your capture mode before each meeting. Options are transcript, only, or audio and video. Make sure you are not on capture off mode. Second, verify your permissions. On Chrome, go to the address bar and click the lock icon. Make sure camera and microphone are allowed. If blocked, Fathom cannot join. Third, check your meeting platform. Fathom works with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams using a standard meeting link. In-person meetings are not supported unless you use the workaround. Start a Zoom meeting on your laptop, click skip and start recording. Now position your laptop to capture room audio. Note Fathom cannot distinguish multiple speakers in the same physical room. Fourth, reauthorize the integration. In Zoom, ensure Fathom appears in the app section. Try removing and reinstalling the Fathom app. Fifth, check for service outages. Fathom API has known availability issues during certain hours like 3 a.m. EAT for maintenance. If you record at these times, try rescheduling your meeting. Finally, if still stuck, reinstall the Chrome extension and restart your browser. And that is it. Check your experience, permissions, platform, and integration. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.